Hey, welcome to the lab. I just scored this EICO 1030 regulated power supply off of eBay. Today we're going to check it out and see how it works. But first, gotta say hello to Sheila. Tell them, hey Sheila. You'll hear her squirming around playing. Get the ball. This one was in pretty good shape and it still has the blue protective plastic on the front of it. I think I should peel it off or leave it on. I might leave it on for the next person. I'm gonna hook my voltmeter up to it before I turn it on. Put the power on. Let it warm up a minute. Pretty close. The meter says 100 volts. I got 98 on here. Make it up to 200 volts. It's pretty on too. 300. All the way I'm getting about 406.9 volts. Cut that off. Check the regulated, the bias supply. Check that over. It's about negative 50 volts. Read the bottom scale on the DC. $150. All the way is 191.65. Seems to be working okay. I'm going to switch to AC. Heater voltage 6.3. And 6.3. And then you just jumper these two to get 12 volts. All the voltages seem to check out. All right, next I want to check the load. I got a 5.2K resistor. It probably won't handle 10 watts. I'm going to apply just enough voltage to it to get the DC meter to, the milliamp meter to move. It's 50 milliamps at 300 volts. Yeah, it's warm. Well, it seems to be calibrated pretty good. All voltages are there, and it's pulling a load at least to 50 milliamps. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We've got a little note back here. It was recapped in December of 2023. A new power cord, calibrated. And these two back screws right here are the only screws that hold it together. Oh man, that's pretty clean. You tell it's been inside and hasn't been dusty unless somebody cleaned it real well. Let's see what's underneath. See the caps they redone. Kind of loose. Redo them. Other than that, it looks pretty good. All the tubes look to be original too. All of them are EICO tubes. The seller even supplied the operating manual and the schematic, which is good because I wasn't able to find one off the internet. If you need one, I can scan it for you and send it to you. Let me get you a better picture of the schematic if you want to pause the video and save it. Also have this EICO 902 distortion meter that'll read RMS voltage and impedance too. I went through it and recapped it and calibrated it. I may do another video showing you how this works. We'll do some distortion tests on some amplifiers. The main reason why I bought this tester is because it has a regulated B+ supply and a regulated bias supply. And I'm going to build a separate screen supply that's regulated. And I want to build my own tube tester. And I want to be able to plot everything on that tube according to the data sheets in real time with real voltages. And I'm going to use a ESP32 program it to measure everything with and maybe trace a curve. We're going to see what all we can do. It's an experiment. So stay tuned.